Hello, my esteemed viewers, hoping you're all doing well. I want us to talk about AirTM, and this is a payment method that is available worldwide. And I want us to see what do we do on this platform. You can add funds, you can withdraw funds, you can send or request funds, yeah. You can join the community and become a cashier, generate extra income, invite people and win AirTM ambassadors. You will see all those benefits and also on social media. The purpose of this video is creating an AirTM account for an online worker who desires to be paid by their client who is in whatever part of the world using AirTM. So if you click on how does it work, you'll get a video explanation on how AirTM works. So you can listen to that and learn more about it. And when you look down here, your money free and immediately available. Protect your money with USDC. Send and receive money worldwide without commissions. 100% safe and secure. So if you are looking for a platform to send money or receive money, especially for freelancers, a platform for you to get money from your clients safely to which or whatever country in the world, then AirTM is the platform to go. And I want us to do registration in the platform. And you can see they are telling you even before you go on that you make sure you're in the correct link before you go on. So they'll ask you which country you are in. So I'll select my country. There is a whole bunch of selection here. My country is Kenya, so I'll just put Kenya. And then they'll ask you, do you want to create a personal or a business account? I want a personal account because a business account will require some documents, which I don't have. So I'll click on personal and click on continue. They will prompt me to sign up with my email, and that is what I'll do. Okay, so here I'll need to put my email. I'll need to put a strong password with these features. I confirm my password. I put my first name, last name. The second last name is optional. And then I verify here whether I'm a robot. They'll bring something for me to verify if I'm human or robot. After that, I click on create account. So let us fill up the details. After filling my details, it will bring me to this page. It will first bring a pop-up that I should confirm or verify my email. So I'll just go to my email inbox and verify this account for that email. So you'll get a link in that email that they have sent to you. Click on that link and then you get verified. When you get verified, you can now start doing any of these operations here. For example, I have received money from my clients. I'll just come and click withdraw. Okay. And then they tell me, okay, I've already done this. So 1 minute. So whenever you have not verified your email or confirmed your email, they'll always tell you to use the AirTM, you must confirm your email address by accessing the link we sent you by email. If you haven't received it yet, please wait a few minutes or check your spam folder. And if you have any questions, contact them. So if you get this, just go to your email, verify. If you have already done this, you're ready to go on. So after verifying your email, you'll get to this page. We are almost there. Please complete your profile to start using AirTM. They'll request your first name, last name, second name. So it is normally automatically autofilled since you had done this before. And you're told that your name must match the government issued ID. So do not put your nicknames or name that don't match your ID. And then your address line 1, address line 2, the city, the country, the state, the postal code, your contact, that is your phone number, when you were born. And then if there is somebody who invited you, you put the link of invitation. After that, you'll verify your phone number, the one you've put here, to complete your profile. So after you're done verifying your details and your phone number, you will be able to withdraw, send money, or do all that. Next, make payments from your AirTM account to someone else's payment method. Next, send or request funds to other AirTM users without fees. And we say we understand. So assuming your client has sent you money and you want to withdraw, you'll just click on withdraw. And then you're withdrawing from AirTM. Right now it shows we have 0. So assuming you had some amount and you want to withdraw, we have some recommended platforms. You can see most popular in my country. We have Bank, Airtel Money, M-Pesa, MTN Mobile, Nigeria Bank, and these others. So it will show you the most recommended for your country. So myself, I'll look for a method to withdraw. There is bank, cash, cryptocurrency, e-wallet, gift card, and mobile. Assuming I choose mobile, and then I will search for M-Pesa. It is the most common payment method in Kenya, and then I'll choose M-Pesa for Kenya, this one. So you can see the rates here. You can compare the rates, transaction rates. So I click Kenya, and then, of course, I have insufficient funds. So funds to request, example, if I'm requesting for $100, it is showing me how much money in Kenya shillings I will receive in my phone, because we have chosen mobile. So within 10 minutes, as you can see here, I will be able to receive 13,146 Kenya shillings. You can see. So they're telling us that the exchange rates, we have around 134.6. That is in my country. Now, depending on the country you are in, you will see the exchange rate. So you can see the exchange rate here. You can see the equivalent of 1 shilling in that currency. And then we have peer variable commission, exchange rate. You can also check on how they are calculating. We have moving funds directly and requesting, okay? So within 10 minutes, you're supposed to be done with this process. If you had money, you click on the last step, which is continue. In mine, it's not active because there is no money. And that is it. So if a client has sent you money, you will see your balance here. You will put the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, we are withdrawing from these points. You put the amount, it shows you what you'll get in your phone. In 10 minutes, you'll receive your money. So you can start packing and going to the nearest mall if you wanted to do some shopping. Yes, because your money will be with you in the next 10 minutes. If I choose a different payment method, for example, I choose bank, it will ask me which bank I want to use. So I'll choose my bank here. Let me just take an example. So whatever bank I want to use here, I'll just click on it, whichever bank, and then it will show me the rates and all that, depending on my country, the exchange rate in that country, all that. And that brings us to the end of our video. You have seen how it's easy to create an AirTM account in few minutes. You're done, and then you can share your details with your client. So the only details your client needs so that they can pay you on AirTM, they only need your email address, the email address you use to create your AirTM account. So if you give them your email address, they'll just share the money with you. Once the money has already come through, you'll get a notification, and then you'll go and click on your withdraw and withdraw whatever amount you want to withdraw to your phone, to your bank, or whichever option you will wish to choose. So that's the end of the video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, stay tuned to learn with Wanja. Bye-bye.